Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you can program this secure E7 Plus Smart Immersion heater control unit. So we're going to have to do it via the buttons here, but it's easier if I explain via the instructions because you have 6 periods. But you need to remember that each time setting on and off will use up 2 periods. So we can have 3 different settings in the day. For example, you might want it coming on at 2 early morning till 4. You might want it coming on at midday till 2 p.m. and you might want it coming on at 6 p.m. till 7 p.m. That will be your 3 different settings in that day. And then we have Monday through to Sunday. Now on something like this, a lot of people would just have they would set one day and they would copy the schedule to every other day, but you don't have to do that. You can change it on Saturday or Sunday if you want. You have a lot of flexibility, but for the purpose of this video here, we are just going to keep it where it's at the moment. It's coming on at night time every single day for a few hours. We're just going to change the period setting 3 and 4. So we're going to have it coming on maybe at midday until 2 p.m. So we're going to have it coming on in the middle of the day for 2 hours. Let me show you the instructions and it will make more sense. Right, so if you have a look here, hopefully it will make a little bit more sense. This is the default schedule. So when you first of all set it up, if you just go with this here, it's going to come on for 5 hours every single night, Monday to Sunday. But you can see here that this is the first setting. So you're going to have period 1 here and then period 2 here, which is the first one on and the first one off. The third period will be the second one on, and the fourth period will be the second one off. So that's the second lot of time on and off. And then the fifth and sixth period will be the third lot of time on and off. So you can see here they've got it 2:15 in the morning till 7:15, and then the middle of the day is off. The last setting is also off. So we're now going to go over to it and we're going to change this one here to come on at 12 p.m. and go off at 2 p.m. And that way then it's going to come on in the middle of the day for a while. Let me show you. Right, so now we're just going to hit menu once to liven it up, and we're going to hit menu again. It says off peak, we want to press select. Monday, I'm going to press select. Remember, you can choose any day you want, but for me, I'm just going to copy each day rather than going through every single one. So we're going to do Monday and then copy it for the rest of the week. So select. Period 1 we're keeping as it is, so it's coming on at 2:15 in the morning. Keep pressing select. Period 2 is going to be off at 5:15 in the morning, so we're keeping all that, so keep pressing select. Now period 3, this is what we want to change. So we want it coming on at 12, that's correct. So keeping it at 12. And period 4, we're going to want it off, so press select. And we're going to want it off at 1400 hours, which is 2 p.m. Select. Period 5, we're leaving as it is, so on at 2 p.m. and off at 2 p.m. You can see it's not actually coming on. Now copy schedule, go to select. It's asking us what days we want to copy it to, so press plus. I'm going to go to every single day. So every time I press plus, it will go up, and when you press minus, it will take away days, you can see there. So I'm going to go to plus, and we're going to copy it every single day, and go to select, save schedule, select, yes, select. And that is it. We have now saved that schedule there. Once you get your head around it, it's quite easy. Thanks for watching.